To support Parisian V Studio, please become a member of our Patreon page. Rewards will be high-resolution page of our art book. Thanks a lot. Hello everybody, this is Version V Studio. Today is a special clip that I want to share about my art career path. I'm a self-taught artist, which means I have no education at art school. I graduated from a technical university and work as an engineer for over 3 years. In the meantime, I did art every days when I was a student. In my country, it's quite hard to earn money from drawing, so I chose to be an engineer to pay for my life. One day, I found that I can make money online via Fiverr. My first commission was $15. At that time, this was incredible for me. I still didn't believe that I can make money from my drawing. After that, a small amount of commission come to me and I run 2 jobs at the same time. The income from making is not too much, but it was a big motivation for me to believe in this career path. In 2020, my engineer job had a big change. I was promoted to a higher level. Although I work well at the new position, but in the same time, I was so stressful about dealing with too many problems at the company as a manager. I thought that I was depressed at this time, and the art job has saved me through this time. And as you know, a terrible pandemic came and the whole world to work remotely. From this time, I received a lot of commissions and my income increased a lot compared to the previous time. But unfortunately, my engineer job was so depressed and I cannot handle it anymore. I decided one of my biggest decision in my life. I became a full-time artist and mainly work on Fiverr from 2021. Everything went well through 2021, but from 2022, everything was not too well. In 2023, we have a big economic crisis, and 2024, a nightmare for artists with the attack of AI. Through this time, I tried a lot of ways to improve my service and provide a better service for my clients. My commission increase, but the cost for running my business and turnaround time increase also. Finally, my finance for running art business is running out. I know that it's very difficult for me at this time, but at this rate, I think that my service can only provide to the end of this month. After that, I'm not sure about my art career, but I want to give a last try. I want to go with it as far as I can. Thanks a lot for listening to my thoughts. Via this video, I want to find motivation, and this may be my last shot.